Replacement of the transformer.
Open the lock with a working key. Push the control compartment door for the handle. Turn off the automatic button on the power unit. Turn off the power cable at the back of the machine. Unscrew the nut and remove the door stopper. Maximally push the door on us. Disconnect all connectors from the power unit. Unscrew the earth nut using a 7mm spanner and remove the earth wire. Use a screwdriver to unscrew the screw securing the power unit. Remove the power unit from the machine.
Transformer. Dismantle the cable clamp using the side cutters. Unscrew the transformer wires from the pad using a screwdriver. Remove the wires. Unscrew the screw securing the transformer using a screwdriver and remove it. Remove the pressure washer with a rubber seal. Make the replacement of the transformer. Install a pressure washer with a rubber seal. Fix the transformer using a screw to the power block. Connect and fix the wires of the transformer to the terminal block in accordance with the purpose. Fix the wires of the transformer with a cable clamp and remove the excess clamp. Install the power unit in the vending machine. Screw the ground wire. Fix the power unit. Connect the connectors to the power unit in accordance with the purpose. Slide the control compartment door before fixing the stopper and install it in place, fixing the nut. Connect the power cable at the back of the machine. Turn on the vending machine using the button. Push the control compartment door to the stop. Remove the handle and close the vending machine with a working key.